Hello my favorite people, I hope you are doing good. In this video we're gonna talk about the price prediction of Memefi. Alright, so as you all know, Memefi has released or revealed the listing date, which is going to be in 14 days. So as you can see here, Memefi is listing on OKX 14 days, 15 hours and 55 minutes. So we are going to do the prediction now based on what happened to a lot of different airdrops that happened. So we are going to use the same method and do the prediction here, right? So before that, we are going to do some analysis on some important things that you all need to know. All right, as you all know, let me show you something here important that you all need to go and do. When you cancel this, you see this tax here. I'm going to drop the link to, I'm going to drop the answers to this YouTube task here. You see this YouTube task here. I have the complete and the full codes for you guys to be, the codes in here. I have the codes here if you want to put how to start your own business. I have the code, and I'm going to drop the codes for you guys so that you guys can come and fill the gaps in here and enter the code in here. All right, I'm going to put the code on the description. So before we start the prediction, the calculation of the prediction of the tokens, if you know you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Go and subscribe now ASAP. I'll be updating you back to back like I always used to promise. All right, so let's go and let's check. Let's open the calculator first, right? And before we begin, make sure you connected to your OKS wallet with your Memefi. Make sure you have connected to your wallet. I have done a video. You can check on my previous video if you want to see how to connect. Make sure you connect to your wallet, all right? So that you won't forget, all right? So for example, if you have 845 million, for example, you have 845 million. Like this, you have 845 million. You are not up to 1 billion, for example, now. And if you really wanna calculate your points, what you are going to do is you are going to do over, which is divided by 100,000. Divided by 100,000. That's how they used to do the snapshot. All right, 100,000, for example. If you divide by 100,000, it's gonna give you 8,450. You have 8,450 now, for example, for those who have 800,000 tokens. All right, so for example, if you have 8,450, if the listing price is 0, we are going to do multiply times. You see, we are going to do multiply times what? If the listing price is 0.001, let's take 0.001 as an example. 0.001. If the listing price is at 0.001, you are going to get $8.45 if you have 800 million. You see, so mostly this is what is happening. Exactly, this is what is happening. Most of these tokens are listing at this price of 0.001, or some are even listing at less than that. Yes, I know. For me, I think the reason why they are doing this is because they have too many followers, too many people on the game. Before, the price used to be better than this, bigger than this, but now that millions of people are joining this, the price is always 0.01 or less than that. Let's assume the price is going to be bigger than that. Let's put 0.02 here. When we delete 0.01, we put 0.002. You are going to get $16. If it is 0.03, you are going to get $25. If 0.04, you are going to get $33. If it is 0.05, like this, you are going to get $42. It doesn't matter. It depends on what you have. For example, let's say if you have 2 billion. Imagine you have 2 billion Memefi tokens, 2 billion, for example, for those who have billions, right? Yes, 2 million. So as you can see, we have 2 billion here, right? You have 2 billion tokens, so we are going to do divided by 100,000. So as you can see, you have 20,000 Bloom tokens, you have 20,000 Memefi tokens. We are going to do multiply times 0.001, for example. You see, if it is 0.001, you are going to get only $20. If it is 0.02, you are going to get $40. Guys, don't deceive yourself. Stop deceiving yourself. This is exactly what have been happening for a lot of different tokens. The same thing is happening. A lot of people used to think they are going to get huge money. You have to do the calculation first. Make sure you do the calculation first so that you won't deceive yourself. All right. So if you have 2 billion, for example, if it is 0.002, you are going to get $40. If it is 0.003, you're going to get 60. If it is 0.004, you're going to get 80. If it's 0.005, you're going to get $100. So most of it used to be around 0.001 or 0.009 or 0.0008. This is exactly what have been happening previously. So we are not going to ignore that. We are going to count on that too. So if you know you haven't got a lot of points, you need to start to keep working super hard to get more and more tokens. All right, so I think this video is very helpful, and if you know you have learned something from this video, and if you really enjoy this video, I need you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button, and please try and share with your friends. Right, you can ask any question. If you have any question, you can go directly to the comment section and ask. And for the codes that I say I'm going to give you, I'm going to drop them on the description, or I will put them on the first comment out there. All right, so thank you for watching this video.